Hello, today I will show you how to change your audio settings in Dungeonborne. First, you'll need to go into the main menu. Do so by pressing this gear icon or pressing the escape button. Then go into the settings. Here, tap on the audio section right here. Here you can see your audio settings. You can change the master volume, the music volume and the sound effects volume. A little below you can see your voice chat settings. You can turn on or turn off your voice chat. You can choose to have an open mic or have push to talk. And you can change your microphone and speaker volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.